Hello, today I will show you how to change your display settings in Dungeonborne. First, go into the main menu by tapping escape button or this gear icon in the top left corner. Now go and tap settings. In the settings, you will be automatically put into the video section, and you can see the display subsection right here. You can change your display mode between full screen, Windows full screen and windowed. You can change your resolution, your brightness, your VSync, your camera sway while moving, your FPS rate limit, your field of view. I'll crank it up so I can see more. About 100 should do it. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.